In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Patreon Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to publish your first product with confidence. First, open patreon.com and log into your account. You'll want to be working from your creator page rather than the view your supporters see. If you land on a general home feed, don't worry, we're about to switch into the creator view so you can access the tools you need. Look to the top corner of the site for your profile icon. Click it and choose your creator page from the menu. This switches you into the creator dashboard where you manage posts, memberships, and the shop. If you maintain more than one project, make sure you've selected the correct creator page before moving on. Once you're on your creator page, find the navigation and click Shop. This is where your products live. If you've never used it before, you'll see a clean setup screen. If you have, you'll see your existing listings and controls to add more. On the setup screen, click Get Started. Patreon will prepare the shop space for your page so you can begin adding items. This only takes a moment. After this, you'll land on the product creation area. Now you can add your product and upload it to your shop. Start by giving your product a clear, concise title that tells buyers exactly what they're getting. Write a helpful description that sets expectations. Include what's inside, file formats, any requirements to use the content, and how buyers will receive it. Choose a strong cover image or thumbnail to make your listing stand out in the shop. Set your price thoughtfully. Consider the value, effort, and what similar creators offer. If your product is a digital download, upload the file or files here and double-check they open correctly. If it's access to content or another deliverable, provide the necessary details so buyers know how it will be fulfilled. Use tags or categories if available to help people discover your product. Finally, review visibility settings to confirm who can see and purchase your listing. Take a moment to proofread everything. Check for typos, verify the price, and make sure the right files are attached. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your product will go live in your Patreon shop and will be available for purchase immediately. You can come back later to edit the listing, adjust the price, or update files as needed. That's it. Your product is now in your Patreon shop. Thanks for watching and happy selling.